So this is where the download and install for Red Dead Redemption 2 on PS4 is at after 13 freaking hours. Are you kidding me, Rockstar? I've wasted over half my day trying to play your stupid, dumbass game. What kind of freaking sense does this make? Says it still has 4 minutes left on the data disk, and all disk data is 54 minutes. Yeah, right. See how freaking long that takes. 6 hours later? Freaking bullcrap, man. Are you serious right now? I am so beyond livid. Like, there's no reason for this to take up a tenth of somebody's hard drive. It's like waiting 8 years wasn't long enough. Wait a couple extra days trying to install the stupid thing.